This is Building a Better Marketing System, Creating Your Brand. I'm Bruce May, the founder of Bizperity and your instructor for this series. This course, Brand Marketing Basics, includes 2 micro courses, Creating Your Brand and Customer Personas. This micro course, Creating Your Brand, includes 3 micro lessons shown on the right, how to create your brand, brand values, and key brand elements, an example. This video covers our micro lesson, defining key elements of your brand, an example. Be sure and download our ebook, Creating Your Brand from Vision to Brand Promise, in our content library on bizperity.com. Branding works the same for every type of business, but the key elements are always unique to your business. Let me show you what I mean. Your vision is all about what kind of customer experience you want to create for your customers. You may not think about your business in terms of the customer experience, but the actual experience of your customers drives your future business growth. Let's briefly review the key elements of your brand from our first video in this course. Your vision, what you seek to create for your customers. Your mission, how you create it. Your mission details, specifically, how will you fulfill your mission? Your value proposition, why you do it better than anyone else. Your brand promise, a simple statement of your brand value. And your slogan, your brand promise in just a few words. To illustrate how a small business can create a vision for a unique and valuable customer experience, we'll use as an example a small local auto repair company, which we will call Easy Auto Repair. The founder of Easy Auto Repair is Raymond Owner, a mechanic who has worked for multiple auto dealers over the years and is an extremely competent mechanic who's also a builder of classic cars as a side business. Clearly, our founder has a passion for cars. Passion is common among entrepreneurs. Most people who have the courage and the resolve to start their own business do so because they have a similar passion for building a company from the ground up. Starting with what we've just said about Raymond, it's not hard to surmise possible brand characteristics and brand values. Here's what Raymond identifies as brand characteristics. Superior knowledge of auto repair, nothing less will satisfy the customer. Excellent repair work. Repairs should be exactly what's wrong, should repair exactly what's wrong and fix it correctly. Great customer communications. Listening to customers describe their car's issues is key to proper diagnostics. Raymond envisions building an auto repair business that hires only the best mechanics and delivers great outcomes at a fair price. If Raymond can deliver these at a fair price, he is certain he will be successful. Raymond translates these brand values, or rather brand characteristics, into brand values. Superior knowledge of auto repair translates into knowledgeable. Excellent repair work translates into experienced, and great customer communication translates into skillful listening. These are great brand values because they are based on Raymond's experience, and they represent the nature of the auto repair business that he wants to build. Brand characteristics and brand values let you talk consistently about your business. If they are grounded in the vision you have for your business, they can effectively communicate that vision to your customers. They allow you to explain your brand to anyone, including your employees. They support all key conversions in the customer journey. And they increase customer loyalty if Raymond can deliver a consistent customer experience. Easy Auto Repair must define its mission in clear and simple language. This is not about adding fancy descriptions or inflated adjectives. Here is the down-to-earth, common-sense description that Raymond wrote for the Easy Auto Repair mission. Easy Auto Repair provides superior auto repair at a reasonable price. This simple description is a perfect definition of the Easy Auto Repair business. This business description is just part of a longer mission statement. A business description like this should state exactly what your business does in language that anyone can understand. A mission statement should be accurate, clear, and to the point. It's an extension of the business description that provides more information about how you fulfill your mission. Here's a more detailed mission statement. Easy Auto Repair provides quality workmanship based on our years of experience in auto repair with knowledgeable mechanics who listen carefully to our customers' desires and delivered at a fair price. Notice how Raymond worked in his brand values, specifically mentioning quality workmanship, years of experience, and knowledgeable mechanics who listen carefully to our customers' desires. Your unique value proposition should distinguish your business in the marketplace. Raymond has 3 distinct brand values, as you recall: knowledgeable, experience, and skillful listening. Which one should he feature in his value proposition? Well, Raymond believes that the overriding desire of all the people he's worked for over the years is for a car that runs well with the highest quality repair work possible. His brand values all support this simple proposition. Here's the unique value proposition Raymond wrote. We repair your car with care, using the highest quality repair work so that it runs like it should. Here's another version. We repair your car with care at a reasonable price with the highest quality repair work so that it runs like it should. The only difference between these two is the addition of the words at a reasonable price. Price should be an integral part of your unique value proposition because it helps distinguish Raymond's business from his competition. Pricing is a complex issue, and most businesses don't talk about overall pricing because they have complex pricing models. Raymond is an exception. His pricing is based on industry standards for labor plus parts, so it's easy for him to offer a promise guarantee. Raymond isn't promising that he will have the lowest price. Instead, he's promising that his pricing will be fair and consistent because his labor cost is based on industry standards that set the amount of time for any given repair. If his mechanics run into a problem, Easy Auto Repair will take the hit on the labor cost so that his customer doesn't get hit with a bill that would be higher than standard for a given repair. Quality work at a fair price is an excellent value proposition in a marketplace where prices are often high and quality workmanship is often low. This is not explained in his value proposition. It's up to Raymond to provide this explanation in his advertising and back it up with good communication from his service advisor. Raymond is planning on hiring an experienced service advisor, so he has this covered in his business model. This is an excellent example of how good marketing must be grounded in your business model. Successful business owners understand this, sometimes better than marketing professionals. A brand promise is a short statement of your overall brand value. It is useful precisely because it is short and therefore easy to say and easy to remember. A brand promise should be a reflection of your unique value proposition. It's a short statement of your overall brand value. Here's Raymond's brand promise. We provide great auto repair delivered with care at a reasonable price. This is a shorter version than his value proposition, as it should be. Your slogan is your brand promise in a few words or a single phrase. Raymond came up with several slogans before deciding on one he liked. Here they are. Auto repair delivered with care. Great auto care at a fair price. Delivering great auto repair. Excellent auto repair at an excellent price. Great auto repair at a fair price. Great auto repair, great pricing. A slogan should be as short as possible. Often it should only contain one concept or idea. Because pricing is an important distinction for Easy Auto Repair, it should be included in Raymond's slogan. Of these 6 slogans, the 2 shortest are number 3 and number 6, both containing only 4 words each. The first one, delivering great auto repair, doesn't mention price, but otherwise it's not bad. So number 6 wins in our book. Great auto repair, great pricing. We also like the framing of the 2 phrases, both using the same word, great. Number 6 is a perfect slogan on all counts. It's easy to say and easy to remember. If you build a successful business, it will be in large part to you investing in an attractive logo, which is a physical image of your brand. the brand that you took the time to define so that it can easily be understood by your customers. And don't forget your slogan. Great auto repair, great pricing. Great slogan. While you may think it takes great writing skills to complete this exercise, I disagree. The key to doing this well lies in thinking clearly about your vision for your business and deciding how you can deliver that value at a price that your target market is willing to pay. If you can do that, you can build a successful business, provided that you invest in a marketing strategy. Work with an agency or local graphic artist to create a gorgeous logo with a custom font. After taking the time to define your brand this carefully, you wouldn't want to ruin it with a crummy looking logo. It should cost you less than $1,000, and that's money well spent. It's not hard to define the key elements of your brand. Taking the time to do so is time well spent. More than that, it's an investment that will pay you back many times over because your marketing will be more effective. Your campaigns will achieve more conversions at a lower cost. Your business can become well known and recognized in your community, and you'll be more successful overall. This completes this micro lesson, Key Brand Elements and Example. Be sure and download our ebook, Creating Your Brand from Vision to Brand Promise, in our content library on bizperity.com. Join us for our next micro course, Creating Customer Personas. See you next time on Building a Better Marketing System. Thank you for joining us.